Hello everyone, this is a video about this electric cleaning brush that is quite cumbersome, but it has something unique than the other ones that they are in the market. Obviously it's battery operated and it's rechargeable, and it says 7-in-1 electric cleaning brush, the model number WS101, fast charge in 2 hours, used continuously for 90 minutes, and then maximum power 25 watts. And here it says green charging, multiple brush heads, wireless clean, and then simplicity of operation. And here in this corner it says 25 watts, so I guess it comes in different sort of wattages. And here in the side it says electric cleaning brush, again the model number, and then this is something is about the manufacturer, and this is the item. And then on this side not much. On this side, on the UK part, it says electric cleaning brush, model number WS101, input 5 volt 1 amp, power 25 watts, charging time 4 hours, using time 90 minutes, charger USB type C. And on the other side, again, nothing at the bottom. It's just that 7-in-1 business that it says it comes with different brushes, a large brush and a small brush. And I have to tell you, I'm not going to be able to just demonstrate this for you on this table. I'm just showing you and just demonstrate on powering on and off, how you're attaching these. These are mostly by Velcro, and some of them they are press fit, like pointed brush, a small brush, cloth. And these cloth, they are just with Velcro, wool cloth, a sponge, fiber sponge, big mop, sorry about that. So I guess you can clean your carpet as well, but you have to dry it afterwards, and you can use it for cleaning your tiles in the bathroom, because the brushes, they are not very big to just seriously cleaning your floor. And this is what it comes with, a user manual which is not very complex, and you can hand hold it, or you can use it with a handle that you can assemble it together. The only thing that is different with this one and the other ones that they are coming in the market is that this one, your angle can be changed. You just press this and you either use it like this or use it like that. But in the middle, 1, 2, and that's it. It has just 1 and 2, 2, 3, just 3 positions. And this is just the press fit. And if you want, for instance, these are the handle that you can assemble it together, but because it doesn't just fit here, I'm not gonna do that. It's a cable for charging. And then these are the brushes. This is the big brush that I mentioned. It's not soft and it's not really hard. I guess you can clean your carpet as well with this. And then these are just press fitted like so. You just put it there and then push to fit. That's it. And then you can turn it on. It has 2 speeds, and off, and it's just not going like that, it's just going continuously in one direction. I guess there is a gear inside. And then this is the charging light, and here is the charging port, USB type C, and is light. I guess it has just 2 18650 batteries at the most. You cannot fit more than 2 in there, and because of the weight, I'm just saying it has just only 1, or maybe at the most 2. If you want me to show you inside of this, just let me know in the comment section. I just open this and show you what is inside, and that's really simple. And then if you don't want this, you have to push it out. I put it back in, and then this is the Velcro part that I told you. You just put it in, and then stick whichever sponge or abrasive, something like it. This is really hard, let me just show you. Let me just tidy up here a little bit. It's getting a little bit unruly here. This is really hard for stubborn, marks on your floor. And then you have the sponge. A small brush is the same sort of brush head, but smaller. And then you have a buffing sort of mop sort of shape. And then this is supposed to be your mop, that is very small, not really helpful. And this is the pointing. I don't know, it's very soft. I don't know what good is that for. Maybe your alloy wheels, you go in there and somehow do it like so. Anyway, and this is the user manual that you can pause and read at your leisure. This is the bottom part, and this is the top part, and this is the specification and how to use it. So not much in it. It's just unique because most of them they have this shape, or at the most they have this shape because it's the mop. So those metal handles, they are going in there. But this one, the unique part is that movement. But at the same time, that unique part is the weak point, because the motor is in there, and then the cable of the motor is running through that slot. So little by little, that cable is going to deteriorate, and then is going to be obsolete. Or if you are a little bit electronic savvy or DIY savvy, you can open it and change the wire. But for the time being, this unique part is also a weak part about this. Anyway, the price of this varies from £15 to £25, and £25, I guess, comes with more of these, more sort of options, and better handles or higher wattage and higher capacity battery. But here it doesn't say anything about the capacity of the battery. That is not really good, because if they say it, just immediately you know that this item is not going to last long. And by seeing this 3.7 volts, it has only one battery inside and no capacity. But if you want me to open it and let you know about the capacity, I am open to any suggestion. Just leave a comment in the comment section and I get back to you as soon as possible. But it's more of a gimmick for small patches. You can use this. For instance, you want to clean a small, mark on your carpet. That's not bad, but you have to dry it as well. Anyway, it's not recommendable. It's cheap and it's gonna break soon with low capacity battery. So my advice is just go and buy a better branded unit rather than a cheap one for 15 to 25 pounds. I guess there are better options if you are willing to pay a little bit more. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.